Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to disable auto updates apps in a Google Play Store on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Play Store applications and now go ahead to your account icon at the top right in the corner of your screen. After scrolling down, we'll find that here the settings option, just tap on it. Now go ahead to this option which is network preferences. And here as you can see there are an auto update apps. You just have to tap on it. If you want to disable it, just choose this last option which is don't auto update apps. I'm gonna tap on it like this and now I'm gonna go back because it will stop automatically. So the apps on your phone, it will not update automatically from the Google Play Store. In case you have to update it manually one by one, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me, a tutorial how to disable auto update apps in a Google Play Store on Android. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.